Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to use AI Agent and AI Assist in your B12 editor to generate text and images for your website. B12 includes two built-in AI tools to help your workflow: the AI Agent and AI Assist. AI Agent is a chat-based creative partner. It helps you brainstorm, edit, and iterate on ideas directly in your editor. AI Assist is your on-page generator. It automatically creates or refreshes your website content when you add new pages or sections. You can also use it to replace existing content on your site. Both are designed to save time and keep your site fresh, but your personal touch makes it complete. Let's start with the AI Agent. Start by opening your B12 editor and going to Website Then Pages. Select a page and choose the section you want to improve. Then switch to the AI Agent tab in the left sidebar. You'll see this indicator if you have selected the section. This is important to let the agent know that you are making requests for that specific section. The AI Agent has context from your existing website copy and your previous chat history that can be used to generate new content. The agent can also collaborate with you to make improvements and suggestions. Here you can type prompts like, "Make this copy look more professional." AI Agent will instantly generate a new version based on your request. If you don't like the first draft, try refining your prompt like, "Make it more concise." You can keep iterating until you're happy with the result. Now, let's look at AI Assist, which creates content directly from your business details, which you can view or update whenever you generate new content. You can generate an entire page, an entire section, or an individual text element. In the Edit tab, locate the page and section that you want to edit. Click Generate Content. Here you can fill in section name and section details. Click Show Business Details to update your business name, description, city, tone, image style, and language. These details help AI Assist match your brand voice. When you're ready, click Generate Content. The section will be regenerated based on your input. If you want to edit the newly generated text, scroll to Content. Click View Original to compare versions, try again to regenerate, or reset to original if you want the previous version. You can also use AI Assist inside individual text fields. Click the text field that you want to edit, then select the sparkle icon. From here, you can ask the AI to generate, rewrite, or summarize the text directly in place. This is great for refining short phrases or rewriting sentences without replacing the entire section. Once you're done, click Generate Text. The text field will be updated with the generated content. If you add new sections, AI Assist will create them based on your business details. AI tools make content creation faster, but your voice brings authenticity. Always review, fact-check, and personalize everything before publishing. This ensures your site feels trustworthy and aligned with your brand. Once you're done, click the Publish button in the upper right corner of your website to make your changes live. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.